Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. I'm having a great day. Today we're back inside the studio and Chevrolet has revealed another new version of the Corvette. Today we're looking at the brand new Quail edition for the Corvette ZR1X. This is really fascinating to me because I've never really seen a Quail edition of a car. The Quail is a really exclusive motorsport gathering event. It's quite fantastic actually. We'll actually be there for this event, so we'll be getting a first-hand close look at this new Corvette ZR1X in person. And when you look at this model, whew, well, all I can really say is that it looks like a ZR1, but silver. Scrolling down, what else we have going on? So the Quail Silver Limited Edition showcases the unique finishes and craftsmanship. Corvette's first matte production paint Blade Silver Matte package will be exclusively available on the Corvette ZR1X 3LZ convertible. So all in all, guys, so this will be a matte silver Corvette. So you can get a matte car, a matte Corvette from the factory. That's pretty cool. What else do you get with this car? It has the same 1,250 horsepower. It has the highly exclusive package. This will be simply limited edition. They have not said how many they will make, but each one will have an identifiable limited edition build number. I like that kind of stuff. If you're going to get a ZR1, get one that has a limited edition build number because that helps improve your resale value. Let's read this quote right here. The design team is always looking to innovate, and the Blade Silver Matte paint color marks a significant moment for Corvette as the first factory matte paint in 60 years. Executive Design Director of Global Chevrolet said, who's Phil Zach, this new finish creates a distinctly high-end feel and offers a rare chance to own a truly unique expression of Corvette. Good marketing, good one-liners. The ZR1X Quail Silver Edition will include a sky cool and medium ash gray with habanero, like habanero sauce, habanero accents interior, a new color scheme available on all 2026 models. So this interior you can get on any 2026 ZR1. There will be other accent pieces with this design package you'll be able to get, like the orange painted calipers, the black exhaust tips, the carbon flash painted mirrors. What is unique to me is that there always seemingly is a special edition, right? We had the 70th anniversary edition, right? Was it 70th anniversary? Yeah. We've had C8R edition. There's so many editions. It's like right when you even buy a C8 Corvette ZR1, there's another better edition, right? With bigger brakes or a different color scheme or one that's limited, more limited, right? There's always something. So when we consider how there's this now, I wonder if you get this, there's going to be another one coming out. It's like that for other brands. Like I know with the Ford GT, there was a Heritage Edition at first, and later on they made my favorite, the Golf Heritage Edition. I'd feel like, if I missed out on that Golf Edition, I'd feel bad. There's always going to be a new edition, guys. So it's like when we're watching this video, maybe you're watching this video a month late, 3 months late, and there's another new edition coming out. Well, we're going to find out. Regardless, if you're watching this video, stay tuned for a week from now because we'll be there in Monterey looking at this car in person for the Quail. Speaking of pricing, well, we have it now. Real quickly, if you guys are getting a new Corvette ZR1 or ZR1X and you want to get it paint protected, well, we're here at Speed Phenom Film, our premier paint protection film studio here on the beach of Carlsbad, California. So if you need anything when it comes to PPF, ceramic coating, window tinting, windshield protection film, or more, give us a call at 760-496-8607. That's 760-496-8607, and we'll give you a quote today. We're headquartered here on the beach of Carlsbad, California, right below Orange County and above San Diego. So we'll definitely help you out. The 2026 Corvette ZR1X will start at $207,395, including almost $2,000 for delivery. That's for the 1LZ base interior. A 1LZ convertible is, wow, that's, oh my gosh, how much is a convertible now? Convertibles are $10,000 more money than coupes. $10,000? I thought it was less than that. 3LZ coupe with a standard coupe interior 3LZ is $218,000. Wow. 3LZ convertible is $228,000. Oh my gosh. They'll be available by the end of 2025. Proudly built in America, in Bowling Green, Kentucky. That's a lot of money. The ZR1X Quail Silver Limited Edition will start at $241. So if we consider the package, I think if we look at what you're getting with it, if we scroll up, it's a 3LZ car, of course, right? It has the custom seat belts, custom interior trim, and then the exterior. I'm guessing the paint job is a couple $1,000. Add on the price for the brakes, the wheel finish, and a few other interior pieces here and there. That's how you're getting to the upgraded 10 or 11,000 above the standard 228 car. But I don't know if this is only available in a convertible. The package will only be available on a convertible. Okay, so that makes sense. So yes, you cannot get a matte finish Corvette unless it's a convertible. I don't like that. I don't like that kind of stuff, guys. I wish they had these weird things, even with the 70th anniversary edition. I paid almost $200,000 for a Z06, and I wanted a Alcantara or suede interior like the McLarens have, or the Ferraris or Lamborghinis. I couldn't get it unless I got the 70th anniversary package. Well, guess what? I didn't want that because I wanted red. So they're doing that kind of constricting thing again, but this time you have to have a convertible to get the matte finish. Not cool in my opinion. Here's where it gets even more interesting. They're comparing the car against other vehicles like the $3.7 million Ferraris. They're saying that the ZR1X, the direct competitor for the ZR1X, is a Ferrari F80 and a 2026 McLaren 1. Now, in terms of horsepower, yeah, it's got equivalent horsepower. It's got similar torque numbers, similar 0 to 60s and top speeds. But the Ferrari F80 is a track car. The McLaren W1 is a track car. They're made out of carbon fiber. They have active aerodynamics. And they're going to be night and day faster on a track. Like a whole different planet. We're talking like AMG Project 1 speeds almost for the F80 and W1. So please don't think that your ZR1X is legitimately competing against an F80 on Laguna Seca or Circuit of the Americas. But in terms of horsepower, 0 to 60, top speed, and quarter mile, it definitely competes. It definitely competes. So there's always caveats, guys. I love pointing out all that stuff literally. And some people don't like that. Some people do. I like saying, okay, yeah, you can read the marketing, but there's more behind that. There's really more behind that. Let me show you more information, actually. So on, oh my gosh, the Quail tickets. General admission right now, there's one left starting at $2,700. It's so much money, guys. It's just so much money. Anyways, that's going to wrap up this video. Hope you enjoyed it. That's just the news with the pricing and the limited edition Quail Silver Corvette ZR1X. Let's scroll down a little bit more. There we go, right there. All in all, I think it's unique. We'll see how it looks in person in about a week from now. We'll be going up there for the Quail. We're going to see all sorts of cars. The ZR1 was there last year, and now it's going to be there again. Hopefully we'll see other versions of other new cars out there, so I'm excited to see what is coming. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. It really helps me out, and subscribe for much for great content coming out your way. And while you do that, hit the notification bell so you don't miss a new video coming out. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below with this new vehicle, and I will see you in the next episode.